it's Ro. Welcome to another video. I have two special guests today. I'm actually hanging out at Alex's house, so thank you for having me. I really appreciate it. And Josh, we just did a video together over on Alex's channel, so I'll put a link down below. Go check it out. If you would like to show some support, hit subscribe and ding the bell so that you'll get notifications when new videos come out. You guys, I realized that we had never done like a challenge or even a video together, which was unacceptable.
I don't think we've ever even been this close. You smell great.
Yeah. Thank you. I'm always scared that I smell like coffee breath, so I appreciate it.
Definitely not.
I brought you guys a gift since you were so sweet and you had me over, so I got you these.
Oh my gosh.
They're little cow headbands. I know you guys would love them. And today, I got the game Farty Franny to play. It's a farty cow, and I thought, what is better than friendship and bonding and fun than farting?
Nothing.
Is this a good time to show them my talent?
Those are good ones.
Those are really good.
I don't do arm farts, but I can make a really authentic sounding fart with my mouth.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay, let's hear it.
You have to look that way.
Okay.
Ready?
Gotta do like wah wah.
Oh! I know one. Here, give me your arm. I do this on my dog's belly.
Okay.
I can't laugh.
Oh, wait,
Two,
here you go.
1, 2, 3.
That was good.
It is a funny, action-packed board game filled with gross sounds, flies, moos, and poos.
What? Moose and poos?
We are gonna alternate spinning the wheel, and then based on whatever it spins on, there's an action. And the clothespin keeps you safe.
Nice.
It's like invisibility cloak to flies. You can't get any flies if you have the clothespin.
To block your nose.
Yeah, so rock, paper, scissors, who spins first? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Oh,
I'm out. You guys go. You guys go.
Ready?
Who goes
Battle of
first?
the heifers.
1, 2, 3. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, close.
Okay, ready?
Okay, go.
Hard.
Go.
Poop.
You must immediately take a fly.
Oh!
Josh is off to a stinky start.
3, 2. Yeah.
Spin.
Poop.
Oh. Here we go.
Perfume.
What does this mean? Any player lands a bird can get rid of a fly. No,
Or you can give your fly to another player.
A shady strategery going on now. Okay.
Weak sauce. Ah.
You got the clothespin?
Gosh darn it.
That's the best one. So basically, you can't touch this. Can't touch this.
Clothespin, you're mine.
Clothespin.
Poop.
Oh, poop.
Perfume. You don't even have the
I
flies.
keep getting the perfume.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Perfume.
Sweet.
Oh.
I will give you my flag.
My first fly.
Oh, that's a good.
You shouldn't have.
And boom.
Perfume.
Oh, here you go. There you go.
Now I have two. They're best
Good.
friends.
Ooh, what's that?
Oh.
Any player that lands on the tail must lift up Franny's tail and see what she does. If she moves, the player is safe from flies. But if Franny farts, the player must take a fly.
This is a chance, a game of 50-50. Will she moo or poo?
You ready?
Yep.
You lucky man.
You got the clothespin. You got the move.
Yeah.
Moving on.
The luck of the spin.
Cow. Any player that lands on the cow can challenge another player. Opposing player must lift Franny's tail to see what she does. So, I can just give it to somebody. So I would like Franny's tail to go to
Dun dun dun.
Yeah.
He's got that clothespin.
Oh yeah, aren't I invisible if she poos?
And it goes to Rosanna.
Quick decision.
Oh no, here we go.
Be careful.
Please move.
Oh, come on.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Here we go. Spin.
Poo.
Wow, how the mighty have fallen.
I know, and I have 3 flies.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my.
What's
tail.
that?
It's more on the tail.
More on the tail.
Okay, I'll buy.
Okay.
Up.
Wait,
I have the clothespin.
overpowered item in this game.
It is.
Yes.
One of you guys have to land on it.
Okay, go,
I got it right
go.
here. Boom!
Whoa!
Give me that clothespin,
Good
boy!
call.
It
Wow.
just happened.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Okay, I'm in danger. That's a poo. That's a poo. I feel like it's a poo.
You're a poo-poo.
That's a poop. Can I have a fly? This is a fly family now.
These are big flies.
These are huge.
Oh, is that clothespin?
That is a
I'm just
clothespin,
saying,
and
it's
it
more on
goes back.
clothespin.
Alex.
Is it oh.
At the papare.
I'm
Go.
the only one that can take the flies.
You got all the
You're
flies.
doing great.
I'm lady of the flies.
It's like a farm.
This is my day.
Cow.
Alex. Okay, so Alex, because you're the only one that could get a fly.
Okay.
Josh is safe.
Good
Okay,
thing
go.
I'm about to get a moo.
Oh, you got a fart. I like that this is like 6 and up, and I still am confused. Okay, wait. No, we're doing good.
Can't do poo because I got the clothespin. Can't smell it.
What is it?
Poop.
Come on! Josh has played this game before. He practiced.
I feel like you have.
Ooh.
You're the only one.
Good thing I'm about to get a moo.
What was that?
Or
What is that?
a laugh?
Okay,
That was-
that is not in the rule book. There is either a moo or a poo. There's no laugh.
You need to explain that somehow. What is it like? What just happened?
Well, she has a ticklish
It's a tickle spot.
tickle spot.
Ready?
Uh-oh.
Perfume.
Perfume.
I got nothing to give.
Watch this, watch this. Ready?
What is? What is?
Perfume?
Puke.
Pupe. It's pupe again.
I'm catching up.
What
Puke.
is? Puke.
There's only 3 more flies. Once they're all out with us, then that's game.
Yeah.
Oh, your turn.
This is
We gotta
getting
get-
really close, and I am losing really fast.
We gotta form an alliance.
Okay. We gotta get that clothespin. He's like cheating somehow.
Yeah.
He keeps getting the clothespin.
Okay, here, if you think clothespin really hard, I'll get it.
Okay.
Go. Harder. Harder.
I'm visualizing it.
Ah! Oh!
Is it yet?
I got the puke. Come on, we're about to give him all of ours and get the clothespin back.
Here it goes. Give me that clothespin.
Damn. Please be a moo.
Here we go.
Moo.
There's only one fly left.
There's only one
Okay, here we go.
fly left.
Here we go.
Okay.
Tail? Up.
Doesn't matter. Got the clothespin.
Ah! Give me that clothespin! No!
A poop. Dun dun dun.
Winner.
Game is officially over, and I have to say that I love this game. How many flies did you get, Alex?
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flies.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
How many you got, Josh?
0.
So Josh is really good. So congratulations to Josh. He's the super winner. I'm the super loser.
We're all winners. Come on.
Yes,
It's a
and
fun game.
A big thank you to you guys for playing this game with me. This was so fun, and I had so much fun. Again, we made a video over on Alex's channel, so please link down below. Go check it out. Go click the link down below. Go check it out. We had so much fun. Josh guided us through a very delicious and yummy treat that I think that you guys would like. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to watch any other fun videos, you can click and then Alex point up and say you can click up here.
You can click up here!
Josh, you say or up here.
Or up here.
Yeah. All right, thanks again. Bye, guys.
We did it!